हे गाइस, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू आर फाइन। मैं हूं अदिति और हमारे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम डेली बेसिस में यूज़ होने वाली इंपॉर्टेंट वोकैबलरी पढ़ेंगे और एग्जाम्पल्स देखेंगे। सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर डेली यूज बेसिक वोकैबलरी एंड ऑल्सो लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। हम, वी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर गोइंग। तुम, यू। यू आर फैबुलस। तुम्हारा, योर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वॉट इज योर नेम? किस लिए? फॉर वॉट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर वॉट पर्पज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड? वे, दे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट। द्वारा, बाय। डिड यू गो बाय बस? वो, दोज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दोज आर माई फ्रेंड्स। ये, दीज। These are my pencils. मैं, I. For example, I am tired. उसके, his. For example, that is his colors. के लिए, for. I went there for entertainment. साथ, with. For example, I was with him. प्रत्येक, each. For example, they blame each other. हवा, एयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द एयर वॉज स्टेल. अच्छी तरह से, वेल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रीड वेल. जैसा, एज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम एज योर फ्रेंड. उनके, डियर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेयर वर दियर क्लोथ्स? समय, टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई मिस प्रीशियस. अगर, इफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if I ask him to leave, कैसे? how? For example, how will you manage? यह, it is your bag. आप, you. For example, you are not invited. अन्य, other. For example, give it to others. जो, which. For example, which one will you prefer? शब्द, word. For example, don't say bad words to anyone. लेकिन, but. For example, it's okay, but where were you? क्या, what. For example, what is your name? कुछ, some. For example, give me some of them. फिर, again. Do it again. पशु, animal. For example, you should not harm animal. बिंदु, point. For example, make a point. दुनिया, word. For example, they wanted to travel the whole world. निकट, near. I live near your house. पृथ्वी, earth. For example, earth is joyed. किसी भी, any. For example, do you have any idea? काम, work. For example, hard work is key to success. लेना, take. For example, take it out. प्राप्त, get. For example, I get it. जगह, place. For example, tell me something about your favorite place. के बाद, after. For example, you will go after him. वापस, back. Come back and sit down. थोड़ा, little. For example, I have a little food. केवल, only. For example, this is only for you. Verse, year. For example, the new year is here. परिवर्तन, change. Change is inevitable. प्रकाश, light. For example, have you got a light? आवश्यकता, need. For example, I need a pen. तस्वीर, picture. For example, this picture is very costly. बंदरगाह, port. They went to port. यहाँ, here. For example, don't shit here. क्यों? Why? For example, why are you not listening? पूछना, ask. For example, ask him to sit. कौन? Who? Who was with you? नीचे, down. For example, sit down. अब, now. For example, you can go now. घर, home. For example, go back to your home. मेरे, my. This is my shoes. अधिक, over. For example, do not think over. जानना, know. For example, do you know? पानी, water. For example, water is precious. जैसा, like. Read like me, तो, so. For example, so you went in these. For example, I cannot go these days. उसके, her. His hair are very long. देखना, see. I can see you. उसे, him. For example, give it to him. देखो, look. Look at them. अधिक, more. For example, do not eat more. दिन, day. How was your day? जाना, go. For example, don't go there. आना, come. For example, come here. संख्या, number. For example, there is strength in number. ध्वनि, sound. For example, where does the sound come from? नहीं, no. There is no need. सबसे, most. For example, this is most important. लोग, people. For example, there were lot of people. तो, then. What will you do then? उन्हें, them. For example, give them. लिखना, write. For example, write it. होगा, would. For example, would you like to go? अपने, your. For example, this is yours. रास्ता, way. For example, I am on the way. के बारे में, about. For example, tell me something about you. कई, many. For example, many of those books are out of print. वहाँ, there. For example, don't go there. जब, when. For example, when will you come? ऊपर, up. For example, stand up. उपयोग, use. For example, use it. वही, same. For example, I was wearing the same dress. वह, she. For example, she is very beautiful. वह, he. For example, he is going to shop. सब, all. For example, all of you go there. वाक्य, sentence. For example, make a sentence. महान, great. For example, she is the great. कहना, say. For example, don't say abusing words. मदद, help. For example, help him. कम, low. The battery is low. रेखा, line. For example, draw a line. अलग, differ. For example, they are differ from each other. बारी, turn. For example, now it's your turn. कारण, cause. What is the cause for you not coming? ज़्यादा, much. She loves me very much. मतलब, mean. For example, what do you mean? पहले, before. For example, wash your hands before eating. सही, right. For example, you are right. लड़का, boy. पुराना, old. भी, to. वाक्य, sentence. महान, great. के माध्यम से, through. बस, just. नाम, name. बहुत, very. के माध्यम से, through. बस, just. अच्छा, good. मुझे, me. हमारे, आर. नीचे, अंडर. किसी तरह से, somehow. आखिरकार, eventually. उसे बुलाओ, call him. यकीनन, really. Like, share and subscribe and thanks for the watching.